Here's a look at this day in history. October 28th.
In 1636, the college that became Harvard University was founded by the Massachusetts Bay Colony. On this day in 1886, President Grover Cleveland dedicated the Statue of Liberty. In celebration, the first ticker tape parade took place in downtown Manhattan. In 1986, the centennial of Lady Liberty was celebrated with fireworks. And on this day in 1965, America's tallest monument was completed in St. Louis, Missouri. In 1803, the size of America doubled, and St. Louis became the departure point, or gateway, to the West. 160 years later, the city built the Gateway Arch, commemorating America's greatest migration. And that's this day in history.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Demetrius
and Destiny
bringing your morning announcements
on WDMS News.
Today is Wednesday, October 28, 2015, B-Day.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the DMS Pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community. Please be seated.
Today's math problem is, based on your answer to Monday and Tuesday's questions, who would you have predicted to win the postseason series between the Cubs and the Cardinals? Explain your answer and be sure to let your math teacher know if you can solve it.
Now here's Rachel with today's weather.
It was 55 degrees this morning. We can expect rain today with a high of 65 degrees this afternoon. The rain may get heavy at times, so be careful when heading home this afternoon. Here's the weather for the remainder of the week. Now for the sports report. The Royals beat the Mets 5-4 in last night's first World Series game. This game will go down in the records books for being the longest World Series game. It went into 14 innings. Now back to you, Destiny and Demetrius.
Thanks, Rachel. And here's Demetrius with the word of the day.
The topic for this week's Word of the Day is communication. Today our word is eloquent. The speaker at the United Nations made an eloquent plea for better relations among nations. Can you determine what eloquent means? Once again, today's word of the day is eloquent.
Take a look at Dundalk Middle School's PTA Facebook page to find updates about things going on at our school. It can be found at www.facebook.com/Dundalk Middle School PTSA.
There will be quiz ball practice after school on Thursday, October 29th, unless you're going to the dance. We will meet at 3 o'clock in room 108. We are still looking for more 6th and 7th graders to join our team. See Miss Blue in room 108 for more details.
Flute tutors will not meet this week due to the fall harvest dance. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Lapata.
The Reading Adventure Club is having its first meeting on Wednesday, October 28th at 3 p.m. in room 212B. This will be a fun club to help you get your scores up in reading and language arts. If you have received a permission slip from your homeroom teacher, please turn it in to Miss Cahoon in 313 or Miss Boyle in room 212B. If you're interested but we're not given a permission slip, please see Miss Boyle or Miss Cahoon. See you there.
There will be a National Junior Honor Society meeting on Tuesday, November 3rd from 3 to 3:45 p.m. All Honor Society members must attend. Please see Miss Hoyer in room 107 for a permission slip.
Math Homework Helpers is back live Wednesdays from 4:30 until 5:30 p.m. on BCPS TV. Join the fun and give us a call. If you need help with your math homework, they are there to help you. They have fantastic teachers and a crazy puppet ready to help you. Every caller will win a Halloween treat and have the opportunity to spin the prize wheel for a bonus prize. So don't forget, if you need help with your math homework, call in, spin, and win. Get a pencil ready. At 4:30 today, tune in to BCPS TV, which is Comcast Channel 73 or Verizon Channel 34. The phone number to call is 410-494-1459. That's 410-494-1459. This is the only phone number that will get you through to the show.
Now here's a message from our recycling crew. Hi everybody, this is Destiny to tell you that today is Recycling Day. The recycling crew will be around after the 7th grade lunch to collect your recycling cans. So teachers, please place your cans in the hallway. Students, don't forget to recycle your cans, bottles, and papers. Thank you and have a great day.
Recycling crew dismissed.
The spots for the talent show are going quickly. Please sign up as soon as possible. However, they are still in need for more MCs. Please sign up to tell Miss Carter and Miss Williams 2 jokes to show that you could be an MC.
Now here's a special message from Hunter.
Good morning, DMS. Tomorrow is our first dance. Bring extra hoots so you can get pizza and juice. 5 hoots will get you a slice of pizza, and 3 hoots will get you some juice. Mr. Kirby and Miss Carter have put together a great playlist for us. I can't wait to see Mr. Monaco show us his great dance moves. Now back to Demetrius and Destiny.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Destiny with a few words of wisdom. Here's an important question, so listen up. How do you like to be treated? Do you like to be treated with kindness? Do you like to be treated with respect? Do you like it when someone smiles at you or gives you a big hug or listens carefully to what you have to say? Most of you would give an enthusiastic yes to all of these questions. Now ask yourself this question: how do I treat others? Do I treat others with kindness? Do I treat others with respect? Am I generous with my smiles and hugs? Do I listen to others when they speak? Former President John F. Kennedy once said, "Every American ought to have the right to be treated how he wants to be treated." Today, remember the golden rule and treat others the way you want to be treated. With something to think about, this is Destiny. Make it a great day or not. The choice is yours. Now here's Mr. Barish.
Morning, Dundalk Middle School. I have a special request for all homeroom teachers. At this time, students who are not just in homeroom, but are in homeroom, who are on time to homeroom, obviously present to homeroom, and are quiet during the announcements, please award each of those students a hoot for being safe, respectful, and responsible. Again, students who are in homeroom, who are on time, and not only on time, that they are also being quiet and listening to the announcements. Please reward them for being SR squared at Dundalk Middle School. We also want to remind students again that this is the last week of the first quarter. This is the Wednesday of the first quarter, and the first couple weeks we're off to a great start with attendance and behavior. And we kind of, as a school, when I say a school, 95% of you still do an awesome job, but 5% kind of fell off the right course. We're trying to get the 5% back on the course and making sure the 95% of the students who come to school every day focused on wanting to get a great education, want to use education as a way to get to the next level. We're going to continue your efforts. So again, students, please make sure all missing work, makeup work is turned in, and make sure you're putting forth your best effort. I'll be making an announcement by tomorrow afternoon to determine which grade level, if any, will be able to have a crazy hat, crazy hair day. So far it looks like 6th grade could potentially win that incentive for this Friday. And again, students, Friday is a half day, so teachers can work on closing out their quarter. That doesn't mean it's a day to stay home because, again, students, it's the last day of the quarter. It's an opportunity, again, last opportunity to go over with teachers anything that you've already turned in or making sure you have all the credit, partial credit. It always helps when closing out a quarter that your teachers see that you care and that you're wanting to work very hard to produce. And again, it starts from coming to school, bringing your A game, coming with a positive attitude, demonstrating excellent attendance, and applying yourself. And as part of Team DMS, we'll do whatever it takes to educate and inspire you to become a globally competitive graduate. Let's make it a great day. Thank you.
This is Demetrius.
And Destiny. Have
Have a wonderful Wednesday.